Hey guys! Welcome back to Top Gadgets channel, 5 Best Sewing Machines 2022, from Brother, Singer, and more. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links to the product in the description, like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 6800C Sewing Machine. Heavy duty sewing with endless creativity made easy. The Singer Heavy Duty 6700C gives you the best of both worlds in heavy duty sewing and endless creative possibilities. In addition to strength, speed, and enhanced power, enjoy incredible creative capabilities with 411 stitch applications, basic, stretch, and decorative stitches. Enjoy your sewing more than ever with its super easy to use features. Enhanced power. Thanks to the machine's powerful motor, you'll have the needle-piercing power and extra high sewing speed to take on your heavy-duty sewing projects with ease. Professional speed. A true workhorse, sewing up to 1,100 stitches per minute. Number 4, Brother SA600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. 80 built-in designs. The SA600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. 103 built-in sewing stitches. This machine features 103 sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed, stitches per minute, 710. Large colored touchscreen. The Brother SA600 computerized sewing and embroidery machine. Number 3, Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine for Beginner. Supports AC/DC power supply or batteries. Power supply, wireless, easy to turn on with a button or foot pedal included. Easy to start sewing jobs. High or low control double threads design makes the stitching stronger and ending sewing easy, without tying the thread. There is a speed button on the product to turn the speed to high or slow according to your demands. Practical sewing kit. We provide 42 PCS sewing accessory kit, which includes 36 PCS bobbin, 5 PCS needles, 1 threader, 1 pair of scissors, 1 tape measure, 1 extension table, which makes the sewing machine more stable and works better on large projects, and 1 portable bag. Number 2, VETRON 4000/4010 Classic Sewing Machine. Computerized sewing machine with easy threading, top drop-in bobbin, and 7-piece feed dog system. 100 built-in stitches, 7 auto buttonhole styles, memorized needle up/down, interior metal frame. Convenience features like start/stop button, speed control slider, locking stitch button, reverse lever-free arm with accessory storage, memory function, adjustable thread tension. Bonus accessories, extra wide extension table, hard-sided dust cover. Even feed foot, 1/4-inch foot, included components, standard included accessories, general purpose foot, on the machine, zipper foot, satin stitch foot, automatic buttonhole foot, spool holders, large and small, extra spool pin, bobbins, class 15. Number 1, Brother Innov-is NQ3600D 80 built-in designs. The SA600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your project's. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. 103 built-in sewing stitches. This machine features 103 sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed, stitches per minute, 710. Large color touchscreen. The Brother SA600 computerized sewing and embroidery machine features a large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen, allowing you to preview your designs before stitching. 4x4 embroidery field. This computerized combo machine is built with a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field with an included hoop, embroidery arm, and 7 sewing feet. No screensaver.